Alright. Vi har jo reagert på Dharmann før, og det gikk jo dritbra. En av de første Dharmann-videoene vi så var en jente som skjulte ansiktet sitt. Og det var kleint. Vet du hva Dharmann gjør da? Jo da, de legger ut en til. Bare nå er det en gutt som ikke viser ansiktet sitt. Boy will not show his face inside school. What happens next is shocking. La oss se den videoen her da. Ja, dere som ikke vet hva Dharmann så er det egentlig en Netflix-serie. Randomme, korte episoder. Veldig kleint skuespill. Ikke alltid så bra skuespill heller.
Alright class, we have a new student joining us today, and I want you all to be nice to him. He left his last school because he was being bullied a lot, so...
Tok den ungen der nettopp og lo?
Let's be very welcoming, okay?
This kid must be some kind of weirdo.
Du kan ikke forlate en skole fordi du blir mobba. Komme på den nye skolen i en maske og forvente at du ikke blir mobba.
Hey, isn't that Xiao's mask from Genshin Impact?
Vent, det er hun jenta fra den første, hun som skjulte trynet sitt.
Hey, isn't that Xiao's mask from Genshin Impact? Yeah, that's so cool. I love that game.
Marty, you can come in and introduce yourself now.
I didn't realize the new kid took the FedEx truck to school. No wonder why my packages are late.
Det er ikke ofte mobbere har gode poeng.
You can't be wearing that either.
Dude, this kid's like a real-life nesting doll.
Ooh. What even is that? Isn't that some sort of anime crap?
For real. I think it's from Genshin Impact.
Again, what?
Genshin Impact. It's an open-world RPG game with a ton of characters, and you can adventure around on this.
La meg gjette, det her er en reklame for Genshin Impact. Det er det.
Marty, no more messing around. No more masks or boxes, okay?
Ta deg maska.
Do I have to take it off?
Hvis du ikke har vossa for i trynet, så bør du ta den av. Faen, hvor slemme han tar av maska, og hele klassen bare...
Wonder why he got bullied at his last school. He should have just kept the mask on.
Chandler, you can't be talking about other students that way.
I don't care.
Stakkars, hva var det som var galt med han egentlig? Hva er det jeg ser på? Å nei, er det julenissen?
You don't have to pretend you weren't just playing video games. All I ask is that you do your homework first.
Sorry, I'm gonna start working on it right now.
De kunne jo sminke han litt bedre. Det der er en tyggis med plaster og sminke over.
I just wish I could do homeschool.
We're not having this conversation again today, honey.
Nei.
But I have good news. Bookside is holding auditions for the... I think you should audition.
This is perfect. My favorite movie, and I could audition as one of the animals.
You can. Or you can go for the lead and audition for Mowgli.
Oh, but Mowgli doesn't wear a mask.
Å nei.
Sweetheart, you're a really gifted actor. And that's all that matters. No one's gonna pay any attention to anything but your talent.
Thanks, but actually, I don't think I want to audition anymore.
Well, if you want to audition for one of the animals, then go ahead. I want you to be comfortable, okay?
Okay.
Do you want a snack?
Ooh, yeah, I'll take a PB&J. Oh, and no crust.
Ah, coming right up.
Gi meg noe spenning her. Jeg trenger innlevelse. Og consistency.
Why should I run?
Why should you run? Could it be possible that you don't know who I am?
I know you're all right. You're Shere Khan.
Å nei, han er en av de der som kan alle replikker til alle filmer og skal bruke friminutter på skolen til å gjenta Pocahontas-stubbene gang på gang på gang på gang på gang. Å, helvete.
Everyone, partner up.
Han er tøff da, han har ikke maske på. Faen,
Looks like nobody wants to be your partner.
Og kjeften på
Can't
deg.
say I would blame him though.
First problem is 4/8 divided by 1/4.
I trust you to get this answer right.
Hva faen det?
Chandler and Kyle, what did you get?
1/2?
That's incorrect.
Dumme brød.
The answer's 2.
That is absolutely correct.
Han smart
Great
også.
job.
Da blir du I hvert fall ikke mobba.
Of course you would get the answer right. You're a nerd. Which is why you like all this dumb anime stuff.
Sorry I'm late, Mr. Jacobs.
No worries. Well, Marty doesn't have a partner if you'd like to join him.
Yeah, right. I bet you'd rather work alone than be partners with.
Sure. I'd love to.
Det her søtt.
No way. You're auditioning for the Jungle Book? I'm auditioning too.
Good thing you can wear a mask. Otherwise, nobody would show up. They'd be too scared to see, well, you.
Ja, og du spiser Grandiosa og spiller Fortnite hele dagen.
No, Bakura. I won't entertain another word of this. I've made it clear. I'm not leaving this jungle. This place is my home. Not that man village.
Jeg liker at det de samme skuespillerne I hver video.
So you can try all you want, but nothing, and I mean nothing, you can do will make me abandon the only home I've ever known.
Okay.
Very well done. I'm impressed. You're even better than you were last year.
Thank you.
Det sikkert pappaen hans.
Do you really expect the director to pay attention to you when he's too distracted by... Do you?
Men jeg vil vite hvordan han fikk de arrene.
All right, let's move on to supporting roles. How about Marty?
Marty. Fucking Marty. Kom der på scenen nå og gjør en god jobb.
Perhaps I'm just a simple bear, but that man cub means everything to me.
Wow.
I won't take him back to the man village. I absolutely refuse.
Det følelser der.
I made a promise to him. A promise
Læreren forelsket.
I'm determined to honor. Skin or fur, it doesn't
jeg
matter.
får frysninger.
I've adopted him as my own. I won't take him back. It's out of the question. I won't do it. Woo! Great job, Marty!
Det så kleint.
Wow, it is great to see new talent at this school. Hey, you sure you don't want to try out for Mowgli?
Maybe if this was a Halloween play and we were trying to scare people.
Skyt han med softgun I øret. Hvorfor tar ikke lærere og sier noe på mobbere?
I understand. All right, moving on.
Hey, guess who I am?
Baloo?
Nope, just a better looking version of Marty.
Hey, Marty, where are you?
Kan ikke han der bare slå til den ungen da?
All right, that's it. You are not playing Mowgli.
What?
Yes.
No.
Yes.
I was Mowgli last year.
Yeah.
And besides, I'm the best actor here.
Look, regardless of your talent, your attitude will not be tolerated on my stage.
Bra.
Is something wrong with your food, sweetie?
Hva faen
I made
var det?
you your favorite.
Is something wrong with your food, sweetie? Det en kjøkkensvamp og rød tomatgraut.
3 cheese lasagna.
Var det lasagna?
I just want to be alone. Can I go to my room right now?
Han finner roen gjennom videospill, for han har ingen venner I virkeligheten. Mange kan relatere til dette. Det eneste han ikke vet at det kanskje en 60 år gammel kåt gris av en mann som sitter på andre siden der og skriver et land. Det hadde vært en sjokkerende slutt på den her, om han ble kidnappet. Aldri del navn på nettet og adresse. Mitt navn Jonas. Damn, anime girl. Do you wanna meet in person? Ok, nå kommer hun jenta, garantert. Nå sitter han ute alene på natta. Kidnapping 101, ikke gjør det.
Marty?
Han har blitt venn med mobberen på nettet.
Chandler? Wait, are you now the gamer 2030?
Did you know it was me the whole time? Is this some kind of setup?
No.
Then Why did you use a fake name?
Same reason you did.
Don't say a word about me in Genshin Impact.
Wait, I almost forgot. I did the math homework for you. Figured you might as well have it.
Wait,
Han snill.
I'm sorry for being mean to you and calling you a nerd and stuff.
De venner
If I'm gonna be
allerede.
honest, my real name is Nelson. I'm just embarrassed of it because it sounds nerdy.
Hva skjedde nå?
Hei, pappa.
Hei, Jonas Norvik. Tusen takk for 100 bits.
So I go by my middle name, Chandler.
You should have to hide who you are or what you like. My mom always tells me there's nothing cooler than just being yourself.
Sier gutten som hadde 3 pappesker på hodet sitt første skoledag.
I don't know about that. Look, I'll strike you a deal. You help me get better at school and also getting better at Genshin Impact, and I'll help you get the lead role in Jungle Book.
Det hadde han klart på egen hånd. Ikke ta den dealen. Da du dum.
Since I can't play Mowgli,
Du dum
I
hvis
know
du
you
tar den
want it.
dealen.
I saw it in your eyes. And I'll help you become friends with Abby.
Han kongen? Tror du han kan styre alt på skolen?
Don't act like you don't like her. I'm guessing you like cats.
Ok, nå de venner. Se på de. Men jeg kan ikke tro at det her det sjokkerende som kommer til å skje. For det kommer til å skje på slutten. En av de dør.
Hey, Chandler.
Hey guys, what's up?
We're just wondering why you're spending so much time with Marty.
Yeah, his old school didn't even want him, and now you're hanging out with that loser?
We saw you guys hanging out. You best friends now or something?
Are you serious? No, I'm not friends with him.
Fy faen, er det lov å kaste druer så hardt man kan I trynet på unger?
I'm just using him to help me get my grades up. You think I want to hang with some dork who likes anime and breaks every mirror he looks into?
Fy faen, så slemt.
Marty!
What was that?
I don't know.
Anyways, we're glad you were just hanging here with Marty to use him, because you had us worried.
That's the...
Jeg den eneste som blir fly forbannet sånn her.
What are you doing home? Shouldn't you be getting ready for opening night?
I'm not going.
Honey, if you don't go, you're gonna let everybody down.
Honning? Jeg tror ikke han bryr seg om honning nå.
The audience, the director, your best friend, Chandler.
Chandler isn't my real friend. He was just using me. I told you I should have just done homeschool. I'm never gonna have any real friends.
Marty.
Men han dum han nå da, som ikke skjønte at han bare sa det til sine gamle venner.
Has anyone seen Marty?
No, I haven't.
You know, the show can't start without him. Okay, someone try to get a hold of him, and I'm gonna try to stall.
Ja, du, jente, du må ordne det her. Si, I love you, Marty.
Well, our lead actor playing Mowgli is running late, so hopefully he'll be here soon.
Det her et show for barna deres.
He'll be
Se
here soon.
på den reaksjonen til hun bak der. Oh, hell no.
Go away, Mom. I don't want to talk to you right now.
I'm not the one trying to talk to you.
Lavalampe.
Look. I'm sorry.
Just stop. You don't have to act like you like me just because you feel bad for me.
I'm not pretending. I swear I'm not. Honestly, the only pretending I do is my so-called friends at school. The truth is, Marty, I think you're really cool. Way cooler than I am. Because you're not afraid to be yourself.
Han hadde 3 pappesker på hodet første skoledag.
And as a wise person once told me, there's nothing cooler than being yourself. Look, I get it if you hate me. It was wrong what I did. I was trying so hard to fit in at school, but I'm not gonna be that guy anymore. I mean it. I realized I had so much more fun hanging out with you and doing the things that I actually like. You're my only real friend, Marty. I'm sorry I messed up things between us.
Kiss.
It's okay. I forgive you. Just as long as you stop pretending to be someone else.
I promise, but...
Se for dere han kom på skolen nå, I G-streng, Og danser cha-cha-cha. Vet du, hvorfor?
What's this weird feeling? I'm standing near the human place and something's telling me to go home. But what home? Have I been thinking wrong all this time? Maybe I'm not meant for the jungle, or the jungle's not meant for me. I mean, you can't pretend to be someone else forever, right?
Oh my gosh, look at him. He's such an amazing actor.
I guess you have to find where you truly belong. And maybe it's not the jungle or the human place. It could be somewhere totally different. And that's okay, I guess. Because you just can't escape from who you are forever.
I know this guy. This game is the best.
Klapper dere for det? Jeg kunne gjort det der 10 ganger bedre.
Dude, you were incredible.
Vent, nå kommer de fake vennene hans.
You were great out there.
Hva var det for en klem? Hva var det for en klem?
Incredible.
You were great out there. The audience loved you.
Marty, the show's over. You can take your mask off now. Oh, wait. That's right. It's just your face.
Mora står der.
Back off him, man. Don't talk to him like that.
Since when did you start defending that dork?
Det mora der, altså, hadde jeg vært faren hans og stått der og hørt de små drittungene mobbe barnet mitt. Hei, hei! Eller vent, jeg hadde banket foreldrene dis foran de først, og så hadde banket de etterpå.
Well, guess what? I am defending that dork. Because you know why? He's not a dork. He's my best friend.
Se på der. He's my best friend.
And he's one of the coolest people I know.
You've got to be kidding me.
Look, you can say all you want, but I'm not hiding my true self anymore. So if you want to be friends with me, you got to be cool with Marty. Otherwise, honestly, you're lost.
Whatever, man.
Let's get out of here.
Wow, Chandler, that was really big of you.
Thanks, but actually, call me Nelson. Nelson's my real name.
So now that the play's over, you guys want to get ice cream or maybe...
Actually, I have a better idea.
I'm gonna die. Save me, Marty, before...
Time down. What? Surprised a girl's better than you?
Can't believe your mom did all this. It's like we're on a real-life Genshin Lantern festival right now.
I know. I have no idea how she knows so much about...
Marty, did you finish your homework yet?
No.
Just kidding. You guys can play as much as you want. You deserve it. And here are your snacks.
Oh my...
Hva faen det?
No.
Hva det der? Plastikk? Plastikk og pizzaruller?
Wait, is that food from Liwet too?
No way, give me some.
Mom, how do you know so much about Genshin?
Oh, you think you're the only one that's been playing, Broadway boy? Scoot over. Come on. It's my turn. Come on.
Ingen tenåringsgutt hadde latt mora si bli med og game.
Oh, it's on.
Spesielt ikke med venner der.
Hey Dharmann fam, Genshin Impact is an action role-playing game available on
Det
PC
Dharmann.
and...
Vil du ha med Dharmann? Si ifra, man. Faen, det var klein.